So we are going to do a few more exercises focusing on the hamstring muscles, probably about 5 exercises or so. So find a chair or use a sofa or a bed. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do, lie in probably 90 degrees, and then you're just going to lift your heel and bum upwards, and then take one leg off, and then slowly come down. Okay, you're going to do that for about 10 to 15 times. Okay, so for the second exercise, we are just going to progress to using one leg. For the third exercise, we are going to find a wall. So you can start off at 90 degrees first, and the more you, so for this is the easier version. If you move backwards and further, then you are firing different muscle fiber of the hamstring, and it becomes harder the more further back you go to. Okay, so the easier one is if you come together to a 90 degrees, and if you progress backwards, it becomes slightly harder. Okay, so in this position, what you're going to do, you're just going to take one leg off, and you're just going to lift your heel, bum upwards, and then you're just going to raise your heel slowly. And you're going to do that for about 15 times. So you're firing the calf and the hamstring, co-contraction of the muscles. And as I say, the more you move backwards, the harder it is, okay? For the next exercise, you're going to find a book. Hopefully that's thicker than this. It's probably around this height, this thick. So what you're going to do, find this kind of thick book. So you're just going to put the front part of your foot on the book, so the back heel is away from the book. And then you're just going to do a split squat. And then you're just going to raise your heel, and then just stay there for 20 to 30 seconds. My muscles are very tired from all the workouts I've done just now, so it's a little bit shaky. Once you're comfortable with that for about 20-30 seconds, you can see my legs are a bit shaky now. What you can do is you can raise your calf and then drop your heel. So in a more dynamic movement. So if I were to show you on the other side, okay. Oops. So keep your heel raised and then hold it for 20 seconds, and then start going up and downwards for about 10-15 times. Few more ways to activate the hamstring. You can slowly walk out, and also you can, at the end of the workout, you can just lift your hips up. Okay, so what I mean is, so raise your bum and your heel, and then slowly take a step forward. And then at the end, just raise up and down a few times, and then walk back again. And then walk back out. And then at the end, come down and come up a few times, 2 or 3 times, and then walk backwards again. And that's it.